Black Friday is way more fun in your PJs with the girlfriends. Skip the craziness everywhere else and shop from your home at a reasonable time of day. On November 29th, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop will host their annual Black Friday live sale spectacular. We'll have machines, kits, fabrics, notions, and so much more with the best prices of the year. So be sure to download our app using the link below. Sign in and shop on Facebook using your phone or tablet during our live auction-style sale that makes shopping fun, not frustrating. Also, tune into Facebook and YouTube at 6 p.m. on Thursday the 7th, 14th, and 21st of November to learn about sergers, sewing and embroidery, and long arm machines on our show we call Sswg, or Show and Sell with the Girlfriends. We'll take an hour to walk you through some of the features of our most popular machines. You can ask questions in real time, so Santa knows just the right one to bring home this year. Discover the girlfriend difference and find out why you belong here.